Practicode. I'm so grateful that they partnered with my school to give all new coders like me experience in the real world.
When I was going through school, they emphasized that you need to practice once you're finished. I wasn't sure where to go to get the practice that I needed because every job that you go to apply to, they want you to have experience. With Practicode from Avia Code, you get that experience. They have ICD-9, ICD-10, all of the system areas. You also get support, so if you have difficulty in some of the different areas, they will help you. They will help you to get better. They will help you to be the best coder you can be.
It is the only thing out there that I have found that allows you to actually look at medical charts that are real to life and test your skills at extracting information from them to code. I love what Practicode is offering us. It's a chance to really get out there, test our skills, and actually see how well we're doing.
A new coder like me needs that experience to get that new job, and I need practice. I need to learn real medical charts, many specialties, inpatient, outpatient, ICD-10. Practicode can help me do that. It can help me build a portfolio to show a prospective employer, such as Avia Code. I can code. I can do this job.
It helped me prepare for the CPC exam. I use it as one of the main tools that I use to study, and I passed. Yay! So now as a new certified coder and the training that Practicode has offered me, I feel ready to go out in the real world and feel that I'm competitive.